The wind is getting crazy though. I'm trying to give them a good view. Oh, this is good. Holy cow, this wind. Oh, there's debris. The wind is getting crazy. Oh, the wind is getting crazy now. Oh, we got power flashes. A transformer just blew. Don't know where. But I'm gonna let me cut all the lights on though.
Okay. Okay, where? Where is Nashville, Canada?
Okay, so we on. Yeah, this thing is so bad right now. Guess I think it won't be that bad.